Hejsan hej! In today's video I will show you how you can schedule and set up an email to send to an email list using Cloud HQ. This is the third video in this series. I have done first how to set up a form where people can subscribe to your email list and how to save all the emails. Last week in number 2, I showed you how you can set up an email template to use with Cloud HQ. And today I'm going to go through how to use that template and schedule and write your first email to send to that email list. So let's move over to my computer. So here we are at Cloud HQ's dashboard after we have logged in. And today we are going to work with Gmail email templates. So we click that. And here we have my templates. And this is the one we're going to work with. Let's look under these 3 little dots as you see here. When we click on them, we can choose rename, duplicate, delete, share, or campaign. Since we are going to create the email we're going to send, we choose campaign. And it opens in this new window. First, we have to give the campaign a name. Default here is campaign based on PixelPia newsletter. I am just going to rename this campaign tutorial. And then we have to set up what email addresses it's going to go to. And if you watched my videos 2 weeks ago, you know how to save that as a spreadsheet. If not, I have that video linked in the description. So in this case, we can import from Google Spreadsheet. So I click that button and it will show me the sheets I have to choose from. And we are going with this one, PixelPia newsletter. Select. I mark it and select. And from responses, I click import. And as you can see, I just had 3 different email addresses of my own when we created this form and collected email addresses. You will probably have many more to collect here, but you can also upload from a CSV or Excel or import from Google Contacts if you have made a specific group for your newsletter in Contacts. Or you can add by yourself, just putting in the information here. So now I have my email addresses imported to Cloud HQ. We scroll down here. Here we have the template. If I want to create a new template as I'm doing this, I can start with the blank template. If you don't know how to create the template, you should go to my last video where I went through exactly how to create this. Or I can choose another template. Since I am going to use this one, it's fine to work with this as it is. Now I need to change the text here. So all I have to do is to click inside here, delete the text and write the content of the email. I can change this to a bold if that was the header. I can also center it. And then I can go, this is the body of my email. And I can go on writing like that. So if I'm done with all that, we are gonna go on to enable link tracking within the email. If you want to add a BCC address here, if you want to send it to someone that's normally not on your email list, you can do that here. Then you have schedule campaign to be started at a specific time, or you can go down here and send it right away. We are going to look at scheduling. So here I just can click on the little calendar and say I want to send it tomorrow at 10:00 a.m. And now we see it's scheduled for tomorrow, 10 o'clock a.m. And then I have to click this. I understand that Gmail has daily message limits, and declare that I have in a good faith believe that the campaign completes with Can Spam Act. So you have to approve those two, and then you just click schedule. And here you have what email addresses it's scheduled to, and that it will save your link clicks within the email. You can here pause it if you realize that, oh, this shouldn't go out now, or resume sending. If it's not sent yet, you can go in and edit. You can reschedule it. You can preview it here. And you can clone it. You can create new newsletter with all the same recipient. If you haven't added any new people to your email list, you can use the same. You can send it again with the recipients that didn't open the email, or to those who opened it and didn't click on any links, or the ones who clicked on a link. You can create a campaign for the recipients that replied, or to the people who did not reply. So that is really all that's to it, to create a campaign for your email list, or any other thing you need to send out to a group of people that you have on an email list. I hope that was easy enough for you to now start collecting emails and creating your own newsletter. Until next time, hej då!